Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn about modified tools in AutoCAD. In before session we have learned how to draw multi-line, polyline. In this session we are going to learn how to edit these lines, multi-line, polyline, spline. Okay, first of all we will see multi-line style. At the command prompt, enter ML style. In the multi-line style dialog box, click new. In create new multi-line style dialog box, enter a name for multi-line style and select a multi-line style from which to start. How to edit multi-line? At the command prompt, enter ML style. In the multi-line style dialog box, select style name from the list. Click element properties. In the modify multi-line style dialog box, change the settings as needed and click OK. Now we will see how to edit polyline. Click Home tab, Modify panel, Edit polyline. Find, select the polyline to modify, enter E. The first vertex is marked with an X, enter W, then enter the starting and ending widths. Press enter to move the next vertex or X to stop editing the vertex. Now we will see how to edit spline. Click Modify Lines, tab Edit Spline panel or delete control. Add control adds a control point to the spline. To move a control point, drag it to a new location. To move spline endpoint, select the spline. Grip edit. Select the move grips to stretch the object. Press enter or spacebar to cycle to move, rotate, scale or mirror grip modes, or right click the selected grip to move a shortcut menu with all available grip modes and other options. Now we will see all the edit points in software. Here we can see I have already drawn a spline, polyline and a multiline. How to edit spline? Here we can see edit spline. Okay. Edit vertex. Move. Okay. X. Enter. I have edited the spline. Now same with polyline. Okay. And for multiline ML style, enter new, give the name. Okay. Here we can change the parameters. Offset. Here we can change offset. If you want to add, click add. Okay. Click OK.